Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to share your WhatsApp status to Facebook story. Now let's begin. Do note that I already have WhatsApp installed in my mobile device and have already logged in. In case you have not, do install it and log in right now. Now let's simply try to share our WhatsApp status to Facebook. Initially, let's move on to settings. Right here's the button. On the top right section, click on it. And from here, let's go to settings. Once you're in the settings, you will be provided lots of options like accounts, privacy and everything. Simply go to privacy. And right here, on the who can see my personal info section, you will find something called as status. Simply click on it. And from here at the bottom, you will see this share my status updates across my accounts. You can add your Facebook account from right here. Simply click on this Facebook icon and something like this will open up. Simply hit on get started. Now it's gonna open up something like this. Simply hit on agree if you want to share your info. Let's click on agree right now. It's confirming our Facebook account. And there you go. We have successfully linked WhatsApp to Facebook. Now let's try to add a WhatsApp status. Let's go back. Let's add a status from right here. I'm gonna click on my status button. I'm simply gonna select this image. And right here at the bottom left, you can see something like status. It's only on contacts. Simply click on it. And then you will see an option like this. At the bottom, you will see something like always share to Facebook story. Simply toggle this button on and click on done. Now let's click on the bottom right. That's this arrow-like icon enclosed in a green button. And there we go. We have uploaded our status in WhatsApp. Now let's go to Facebook and check it right now. As you can see, the story has successfully been uploaded from WhatsApp to Facebook. Well guys, that's it. That's how we share our WhatsApp status to Facebook story. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.